Let me see.
I'm nice.
What is it?
It's a beetle.
I don't know what kind of bug that is.
Oh, Sam's cute. Sam's cute. What kind of thing? It's a beetle bug.
It's a little beetle bug, huh?
Aww. Ham is cute. Ham been in my basket no 2 times. Beetle bug.
Marley, you like beetles and worms?
Yeah.
And ladybugs?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Ladybugs just bite.
No, they don't. Ladybugs and roly-polies don't bite. Spiders and wasps and bees bite.
Oh, Dad likes wasp.
Who likes wasps?
Daddy. This will keep him rolling down. Oh, him is cute. Like this.
No.
Why?
I'm not really a big fan of bugs.
Him is cute. Him is cute. Him is cute.
What do you want to name him?
Homer.
Okay. Homer number 2?
Yeah.
Where's Homer number 1? Right there. Where's Homer number 2? Right there.
Look at him legs. Look at him legs.
He's got legs?
Yeah.
How many?
1, 2. Him is cute. Him is cute. Cutie pie.
Did you just call him a cutie pie?
Mm-hmm. 1 Homer, 2 Homers.
Yes. Put Homer 2 back in his bucket.
Where's him? Oh. No. I need to put it on my leg. I put them back in my ham's leg.
Say bye.
Bye.